I'm gonna be this is my first video.
The hell are you doing?
I'm making my first video.
First what?
First video on YouTube. Remember you go on YouTube all the time?
Making a video?
Yeah.
Well, you don't have any cleavage, so you're not going to get any views.
Some people just like to scam through videos sometimes.
Loser.
I might get some views, but not a lot.
Loser.
You're a loser.
Loser.
I think I know who's the loser, and I'm looking at her right now.
I don't see a mirror between us. What now? What now? Can't see me. Squishing your head. Squishing your head. Squishing your fucking head.
You're such a little kid.
Oh, says the one that's younger.
Says the one that's trying to squish my head from a distance.
Oh. See this? Fucking dead. You don't exist. Get off my land.
Well, I'm just gonna go and deal with her.